kinoronahan bilang Miss Tourism Philippines Queen Worldwide si Princess Wendy Muldong ng Tarlac Province. Habang itinanghal naman Miss Tourism Philippines Universe si Princess Diane Tutaan mula sa Cauayan City. Tinanghal na first runner-up si Zaira Ballesteros mula sa Quirino Province habang si Ashley Amori Gamboa ng Cagayan Province ang second runner-up. Nakuha ni Catherine Ashley Somera ng Ilocos Sur ang titulong third runner-up at si Alicia Princess Raleigh ng Olongapo City naman ang fourth runner-up. Bukod sa mga pangunahing titulo, kinilala rin si Manel Lian Sain de la Cruz mula sa General Trias Cavite bilang Miss Tourism Ambassador at si Judia Leonis Taginod mula sa Isabela Province bilang Miss Tourism Asia International. Layunin ng nasabing pageant na itampok ang kagandahan, talino at kakayahan ng mga Pilipina, gayon din ang pagsusulong ng turismo at kultura ng Pilipinas sa lokal at pandaigdigang antas. Ginanap ang Grand Coronation Night ng Miss Tourism Philippines 2025 kagabi, October 16, 2025 sa FLD Coliseum dito sa lungsod ng Cauayan. Samantala, pakinggan natin ang naging sagot sa question and answer portion ni Miss Tourism Philippines Queen Worldwide Princess Wendy Muldong ng Tarlac Province sa tanong na, what are the biggest obstacles to tourism growth in the Philippines?
Growth in the Philippines, and how can we overcome them? I repeat, what are the biggest obstacles to tourism growth in the Philippines?
I think the biggest problems that we face in tourism in the Philippines is its poor governance. We all know that there is a corruption right now and we are facing it. And I am not afraid to talk about this because we need to address this. But I know that we can still achieve a better society because we know that as a citizen, we hold so much power into building the future of our nation. That's why we should act with integrity. We should demand transparency, responsibility, and we should lead with accountability. And I do believe that true leadership doesn't only focus on the government, but it also focuses on every individual, that choose to do the right choices, even though no one is watching them. Ang Pilipinas, sinasabi nila, ang hirap mong ipaglaban, ngunit ipinapangako ko na hanggang sa aking huling mga paglalaban.
Samantala mga kabombo, pakinggan din natin ang bahagi ng question and answer portion kung saan tinanong si Miss Tourism Philippines Universe Princess Diane Tutaan ng Cauayan City ng tanong na, if I were a genie in a bottle and could grant you one wish, what would that be?
And could grant you one wish, what would that be?
Can you please repeat
If I were a genie in a bottle and could grant you one wish, what would that be?
It would definitely love Philippines, because this tagline showcases that every people should be proud of being a Filipino, because we Filipino has this spirit of bayanihan where we work hand in hand to clinch different titles, and we Filipinos should be proud of that we have this spirit of resilience, warmth, and love. And I know that we Filipinos should be proud because we are more than enough, and we should be very thankful that we have these characteristics, because as Filipinos, we are more than enough to rise and uplift positivity in our country. Thank you.